All right, so this is what I've got accomplished today. I have sanded where it's kind of like wavy there. I've sanded all that white there smooth, and up on the belly I've gotten all that down and around to kind of the center line there, a good chunk of it, and a little bit up over here, a little bit sanded there. So I still have to go and hit all this and sand it down so it's all nice and smooth still. Up there, the tip I think is fairly smooth, but still got that, and I am still working on the other side as well. Probably needs to be sanded down a little bit better over here. This is the same situation on the other side, kind of bumpy, that needs to be sanded down really good. And then we're right back over here to what I was working on yesterday, which is this really dark, thick patch. And then this I sanded down yesterday over here, and I still got some left there. So I got the upper back half pretty much done today, but I still have all that underneath to go yet. Well, that's it for today. My light's going, so I'm just gonna head down, get a shower, go get something to eat, walking through the boatyard to the showers. This is a white shirt. It didn't come, all the dirt didn't come completely out of it, so better use the same clothes and just let them get ruined.